Hello and welcome to Frugal Gourmet Anime hosted by Larry Hussey. Today we're going to do what I call hot salad. It probably has other names as well. What you need is a leftover salad. A lot of times I buy pre-made salads in a bowl or pre-made salad kits in a bag, and sometimes I might have some left over. So what am I going to do with it? Well, I'm going to empty everything from my salad bowl into a saucepan, and I'm going to warm it up as a sauce or a soup in the saucepan, and then as soon as it comes to a boil, I'm going to turn off the stove, pour it into a heat containing soup bowl, and I'm going to enjoy.